Start. New variants do not always merit changes in public health response, but keep people alert. The Indian variant B.1.617 and its family of related coronaviruses have been categorized as a variant of concern (VOC) by WHO, a classification which will not prompt greater international scrutiny of those who test positive overseas. Stop. While there are several so-called variants of interest, only three other than the B.1.617 have been categorized as VOC. The UK variant B.1.1.7, the South Africa variant B.1.351 and the Brazilian variant P2. Stop. Usually in countries that detect emergent variants, it is the health authorities there who flag them as potential VOC. Stop. To qualify as one, the identified variant must be linked to increased transmission or be associated with more severe disease or found to be evading detection by diagnostic test. Stop. Concern that the B.1.617 may be playing a role in disease spread in India were expressed by scientists by mid-March. Stop. The INSACOG or the Indian SARS CoV-2 Genomic Consortia had flagged a variant with two concerning mutation, E484Q and L452R, that separately had been found in other variants elsewhere. Stop. INSACOG said they now seemed to appear together or a variant that was linked to a large fraction of cases in Maharashtra and begin to be called double mutant or even triple mutant, as it also had another important mutation P614R. Stop. In March, nearly 20% of cases out of Maharashtra, which has consistently been among the most affected state, were being linked to the variant. Stop. However, it was in early April that this variant became formally classified as a lineage V.1.617. Stop. It was only after the UK's labeling it as a VOC that is was called so by health authorities in India. Stop. In fact, unlike the United States CDC or Public Health England, India still does not have classification criterion for labeling viruses as variants of interest or concern. Stop. Classifying variants is not just a matter of mere academic interests. Based on the prevalence, some variants may go on to become the dominant strain in a region or multiple geographies. Stop. It then becomes the responsibility of vaccine companies to check whether their vaccine continue to be effective. Stop. Such studies have already begun in India, but while laboratory studies show that vaccines continue to be effective, some of the emerging variants do seem to be better at evading antibodies. Stop. Along with monitoring reinfection and cases of breakthrough infections, testing positive after being double inoculated, flagging variants must be seen as a crucial health response. Stop. Detecting newer variants does not always merit radical change in public health response, such as masking up, but they go a long way in reminding people to continue being alert, viewing vaccine as an important defense but not a magic pill, and keeping health authorities on their toes.